Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting data. Back up critical files to an external drive or cloud so rollback is safe. Once backed up, close active apps and temporarily disable antivirus to avoid interruptions, then open Disk Cleanup or Storage Sense and choose to clean system files. This hits temp, Windows Update cache, and log files. Make sure you note any apps you'll remove so you can reinstall later. Doing this first speeds the deeper steps that follow. You now tackle the heavy lifting. Uninstall big, unused applications by size from settings so you free gigabytes quickly. Once done, move bulky user folders, downloads, videos, pictures, to another partition or external drive to relieve C. Then remove hibernation file with power cut H off and consider reducing or relocating the page file if you understand the trade-offs. This reclaims large system files. Once these are complete, run Disk Cleanup again to clear leftovers from removed apps. You finish by optimizing and automating. For SSDs, run the optimized drive's trim operation. For HDDs, run defragmentation. This consolidates free space after deletions. Then run chkdsk/f if Windows reports file system errors and allow a reboot so fixes apply. Finally, enable Storage Sense or schedule Disk Cleanup to prevent C from filling again. Troubleshooting tip: if space doesn't free, use
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.